Here we go. What's going on, Excel fanatics? Verdexes here. I don't have an Excel tip per se here. This is actually more of just a math trick that I just kind of wanted to show. So actually what you can do if you're ever multiplying percentages between two numbers, you actually can swap the percentage across the numbers. And here's what I mean by that. So say you're taking the numbers 80 and 50%. And that gives you, if you do that here, 40, right? So if we swap the percent where we do 80% and 50, and we go ahead and press Control down just to copy the formula, see, it gives you actually the exact same number. Okay, so maybe you're wondering now, what if it's 100% or greater? Well, let's try it. So if we do 100 and 500%, and then we swap the percentages to 500, Control D, we have the same answer. And now we'll try it with a decimal. So let's try something like 12.5, and then maybe 40.7%. And then we do 12.5%, and then 40.7. And voila. So, yep, there's a really quick Excel tip. Not Excel. There's a really quick math tip for you. When will you have to use this? Probably very little. If you're in the moment where you're trying to figure out what a percent is of something, you might even consider, like, say, if you run into 80% of 50, it might be easier for you to calculate half of 80, right, to get 40. So just a nice quick tip for you. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching.